video. And I wanted to unbox it. It's not in a box, it's in this package. And I'm so happy because this has been sold out and I found it used. Okay, I got The Sign of the Time by CD plus DVD. And I thought it was used. I got it for $48.99 or something like that. 48, and then with tax it was 52. With tax or shipping and handling or whatever. So I finally, did I say Sign of the Time? I meant 1999. The CD, it is the 5 disc plus 1 DVD. And I keep saying Sign of the Time. It's CD1 1999 remastered for the very first time. CD2 remastered 7-inch edits slash 12-inch mixes promo version. CD 3 and 4 24 tracks from the vault. What is this? 23 previously unreleased. Okay, and then CD 5 live in Detroit, November 30th, 1982. Now I saw this concert, but I didn't see it in Detroit. And previously unreleased DVD live in Houston, December 26, December 29th, 1982. Previously unreleased. Also includes 48-page book featuring new liner notes. I can't see that right there. But anyway, I'm going to come back hopefully and do a better review once I open it up. But I just want to let everybody, all of my Prince friends know that I finally got my DVDs of 1999. And they're going for like $100 and something now, so this was the only one that was like $40 something, and I went ahead and ordered it before somebody else snatched it up. But anyway, you all have a good day, and hopefully I'll come back and do a better review. And thank you for watching the video.